The world depends on mobility. In fast-growing cities, people spend more and more time in their cars. But soon, in a not-so-distant future,
System is active.
self-driving cars will ease this commute. If the self-driving car will be coming to the roads is no longer a question. The question merely is, when? Mercedes-Benz has been the leading car company when it comes to autonomous driving. In 2013, the company completed the first ever long-distance autonomous drive on country roads and through inner-city traffic in Germany. Because traffic rules, roads, and conditions are different in different countries, the self-driving S-Class is now tested on the roads of California. In the US, for example, streets are wider, traffic lights are differently positioned, you have right turn on red, and four-way stops. All things that are different or even unknown in Germany. With so many various conditions on the road, what is the technology that enables the car to adjust and manage such vastly different situations? Equipped with 8 radar systems and 3 cameras, the S500 Intelligent Drive garners endless information from the environment and processes this information in a split second. In combination with maps and GPS information, the research car knows its way around. Learning its environment is one thing. A whole other is learning to make informed decisions. Take a 4-way stop intersection, for example. The rule appears to be simple. The first to stop is the first to go. This is something the autonomous driving Mercedes-Benz has to learn as well, and in case of any doubt, to act defensively. Equipped with the right hard and software, the research vehicle is able to more and more understand its environment and choose the correct maneuver for the situation. Knowing its way around is one thing, learning new traffic conditions the other. Combining both will turn autonomous driving into reality step by step.
Augmented reality has come to your car. Now all you need to do is pull out your smartphone or tablet. By opening the Hyundai Virtual Guide and pointing your device under the hood, you can learn how to add coolant, change your oil, or even change your air filter. Inside, it shows you what those warning lights are for or what those warning signs really mean. It's loaded with lots of great how-to information. And you don't have to be in the car to use it. It works anywhere. While Hyundai is not quite ready to ditch the owner's manual, this is a glimpse of things to come. We're launching the Hyundai Virtual Guide first on the 2015 Sonata, and you can pick it up now at your app store.
Car-to-X communication expands the horizons of previous onboard sensor systems by exchanging information with other vehicles, and is therefore able to warn against impending dangers at an earlier stage than before. With the help of this technology, based on the cellular communications network, information about potential dangers ahead can be exchanged between vehicles, allowing a look around the corner or behind obstacles. In the process, the vehicle acts as both transmitter and receiver. Various critical situations are automatically detected by the vehicle and directly reported to the Mercedes-Benz cloud. The driver can also send a warning manually. The Car-to-X warning messages are shown directly on the navigation map. Certain advanced warnings are also communicated to the driver by voice output, which is particularly useful where the course of the road is not clear.
Traffic event ahead.
The automatically detected hazards include breakdowns, accidents, and reports of ice, fog, or heavy rain. The cloud can also be used to show information from other data providers, for example, mobile roadworks.